Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Ice Defroster is probably one of the most underrated winter car accessories, but it can be a lifesaver when you're dealing with frozen windshields. Imagine waking up on a cold morning, rushing to work, and your car is covered in a thick layer of ice. With the right Ice Defroster, you can quickly and efficiently clear your windshield, saving you time and frustration. Number 5. AstroAI 27 Snow Brush and Ice Scraper. This snow brush features a unique design to protect your car's paint. The bristle heads are polished and split into finer strands, making them softer. This helps to prevent scratches while effectively removing snow. Designed for durability, this tool is built to withstand harsh weather conditions. The high-strength ABS shaft, PC bristles, and EVA cotton handle can handle heavy snowstorms and temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a gift that lasts. Easily brush off snow and scrape ice without damaging your windshield. The integrated knuckles help break up ice, and the scraper quickly removes it. This makes clearing your car fast and simple. The brush and scraper can be quickly separated for easier handling. This feature is great for dividing up the work or for compact storage. It's convenient to use and store. With a 27 length, it provides added reach for cars. The 7 brush head covers a large area, and the 4.5 ice scraper gets under the ice without scratching. It's designed for efficient and effective use. What we like. This ice scraper is designed with paint protection in mind, featuring split-strand bristles to avoid scratching your car. It's built to withstand harsh conditions, ensuring durability through heavy snowstorms. If you're looking for a reliable tool that protects your car's finish while efficiently clearing ice and snow, this is the one for you. What people say. Well thought out design and making them 2 pieces with a bag to put them in. Easy to use, great to get ice off the windows, and helps me reach the roof of my Honda CR-V. The 27-inch blade reaches nearly across his entire windshield. He has a Honda Civic. He tells me the ice scraper does a good job at scraping the ice off his windows. He said it's comfortable to handle and is a nice design. Number 4. Subzero Hopkins 16621 Ice Scraper. This ice scraper features a durable blade designed to quickly remove frost from your windshield. It makes the task easy, saving you time and effort on those cold mornings. The scraper includes separated ice chippers, perfect for breaking up even the thickest ice. This feature ensures that you can clear your windshield effectively, no matter the conditions. With its extra-wide 4.5-inch blade, this tool covers a large surface area with each swipe. This design allows it to clear your windshield quickly and efficiently. The oval-shaped, soft foam grip provides maximum comfort during use. It's designed to fit comfortably in your hand, making the scraping process less strenuous. Featuring an 11-inch length, this scraper provides great reach, allowing you to easily access all areas of your windshield. It is a practical tool for any vehicle owner. What we like. This ice scraper features a durable blade and separated ice chippers to tackle even the thickest ice. The comfortable, oval-shaped foam grip ensures easy handling. If you prioritize a no-frills, effective ice removal tool with a focus on comfort and reach, this scraper is a great choice. What people say. The scraper end is substantial in size and for the most part cuts a nice clean path. The teeth on the opposite end do a decent job dislodging areas of chunked ice. I really like the rubberized oval-shaped handle. It feels good in the hand and offers a secure grip. Number 3. Snow MOOver 39 Extendable Snow Brush. This snow brush is designed for efficient winter car care. It features a wide squeegee, bristle head, and lightweight aluminum body. Easily assemble it for use or disassemble for compact storage. The brush extends up to 39 inches, making it easy to reach the middle of windshields and car roofs. This is ideal for vehicles like SUVs and small trucks. The lightweight body ensures easy handling. The removable ice scraper breaks and removes ice without damaging your car. Its sturdy construction and ergonomic grip provide a comfortable and efficient scraping experience. It's essential for clearing ice quickly. The double-sided brush head includes a wide squeegee for removing water and slush, and thick bristles for brushing away snow. This versatile design adapts to different winter conditions for thorough cleaning. The snow scraper includes a squeegee bristlehead snow brush, an ice scraper, and a telescoping extender. The extended size is 11 inches wide, 6 inches deep, and 39 inches high. When collapsed, it's 31 inches high and weighs 2 pounds. What we like. This snow brush extends up to 39 inches, making it perfect for reaching across larger vehicles. It also includes a detachable ice scraper and a double-sided brush head for versatile cleaning. If you drive an SUV or a truck and need a tool that offers both reach and versatility, this extendable snow brush is ideal. What people say. The Snow MOOver is a sturdy but lightweight extendable snow brush that gets into every hard-to-reach place on the roof and body of the car, even outdoor equipment roof racks. It is longer, sturdier, and more flexible than most similar snow clearing devices, and the bristles are soft, so you don't have to worry about scratching your car. This has good enough reach to easily clean off my Ram 1500 in Buffalo when we get 1 foot plus overnight. Number 2. Relentless Drive Windshield Cover Kit. Are you tired of scraping ice and snow off your windshield every morning? This kit is the perfect solution. It includes everything you need to protect your car from the harsh winter elements. This windshield cover is designed to fit all cars, no matter the make or model. It's easy to install and remove, making your life easier during the winter months. The kit includes a windshield cover, ice scraper, and side mirror covers. It provides complete protection for your car, saving you time and effort. The cover is easy to install and remove. The ice scraper is durable and effective. The side mirror covers protect your mirrors from ice and snow. Don't let winter catch you off guard. Get this kit today and enjoy a hassle-free winter. It's a must-have accessory for any car owner. What we like. This kit includes a windshield cover and side mirror covers, offering comprehensive protection against ice and snow. It's designed to fit all cars, making it a convenient solution. If you want a complete, all-in-one solution to protect your entire car from winter weather, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The cover fits very well and easy to put on and take off. Cuts my morning warm-up time so I can head to work in a few minutes. It covers well and kept the ice and snow off her windshield and side mirrors. Very easy to install and is light, fits well, and the magnets hold very well. Number 1. BIRDROCK Home Ice Scraper and Breaker Combo. This innovative tool quickly removes ice and frost from your car's windshield and windows. The non-scratch jaws break through the ice, and the flathead scraper clears the rest, ensuring a clear view. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, it's built to withstand the coldest temperatures and toughest ice. This ensures it will provide reliable performance season after season. The included glove features a waterproof exterior to keep your hand dry. Inside, a soft cloth provides extra warmth and comfort, making those cold mornings more bearable. The spacious glove interior fits hands of all sizes comfortably and securely. An elastic wristband keeps the cold out, and it's versatile for both left and right-handed users. The scraper is detachable from the glove for versatile use. It measures 10 inches long, 4 inches wide, and 1.75 inches high, weighing only 4 ounces. With the glove, it weighs 8 ounces. What we like. This ice scraper features a unique design with non-scratch jaws and a flathead scraper for efficient ice removal. It also includes a warm, waterproof glove for added comfort. If you value comfort and want to keep your hands warm while removing ice, this scraper with its integrated glove is an excellent choice. What people say. The 4 non-scratch blade easily breaks up even the thickest ice on my windshield without any worry of damage. Sturdy construction made it easier to remove the ice and snow off my car. The round handle was easy to grip and relieve the strain on my wrist so I could clean my whole car without pain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.